So Jared, this is the phone that I was in contact with you about. It was in the washing machine. So I'm just going to plug it in. Well, to begin with, I'm going to power it up when it's off the battery. Or when it's off the mains rather. It doesn't seem to power up at all. So I'm just going to plug it into the mains now. So, just going to give it a minute. Let's see now if I can power it up. Yeah, here we go. It seems to be stuck in this part. So here we go. I don't have the SIM that was in it at the time that it went in the washing machine is in the slot. But I've put my new SIM into this phone, which should still work, and I can't get beyond this part. Go for the emergency call. Now you can just see that's the screensaver in the background. That was a picture that I put on my phone. That's of my son. So maybe there is some kind of life in the phone, but only as long as it's plugged into the mains. So look what happens when I pull the plug on the power. If I just switch it off of the wall, it dies. So you might be able to help me.